and Railfanners. It is day 6 on Railfanning. I am back at Kalar Road crossing, and today again I'm gonna do a symbol to blast the air horn. And there might be a slight possibility that there might not be a train today. So if you if I could give my friend a call. Well, a friend. I'm not telling the name, okay? Otherwise you might hunt them down, okay? But I'm gonna call a friend real quick and then ask her. Yes, of course I have a girlfriend. But, well, I shouldn't have said that I have a girlfriend. But it's true. It's a girl, but she's just my friend. Okay? So I'm gonna give her a call real quick. And it seems like that there might be a train today. Okay, I'll be back. Good afternoon, Railfanners and YouTubers. It is day 6, and I found my train. Whoo, here we go. Sorry about yesterday, though. Yesterday was supposed to be day 6, but apparently yesterday the camera died, and I had to re-switch the day from Sunday to Monday. So my train's coming in. As you can see over there, you can see the headlights. And apparently yesterday was Canadian National's 100th day. But today I'm not on the picture yet. Let's have a look at them barriers go down. I should have brought some sunglasses today. Apparently, today's the day. Let's go look at them barriers go down. Because I need to see them barriers go down. Go down, dang it. Oh, that guy's coming in fast. You can already see the headlights. Yeah, he's coming in fast. Oh, there we go. Now let's move over here so I can get a good look. And really, people put the trash on the track again. Not cool. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Looks like it's Green Day. Today, intermodal. We got intermodal, everybody. We got intermodal today. Mayors. That canister goes to New Zealand. Yeah! Is today an amazing day? found my first intermodal train. The first bit was green, but now all of a sudden, boom, intermodal. Let's inspect the damage here. Oh my god. And back to yellow it is. Bro, that was insane! Did you see all that stuff get crushed? Oh my god. Well, that was insane. Well, the first intro bit was 1 minute long, and now it is down to 4 minute long train. Holy moly. Alrighty. Let's go. This was an exciting day today. Holy moly. Sorry if I swore a bit there, but yeah. Alright. Now for the outro. Bye!